Hi everyone, it's Caryne from Burrowed by Caryne. Let's make this cute little rainbow wall hanging together, shall we? Let's get started. The tools you're going to need are a glue gun and a really good pair of scissors. And if you're working from my Burrowed by Caryne Macramé Rainbow kit, you'll notice 3 different lengths, thicker cotton cords, a wooden bead, you'll notice a cotton string, and then 3 long colored cotton cords. This is what you're going to use to wrap around your thicker pieces of cotton rope. Move aside the things that you're not going to be using yet and select your first large piece of rope and put the other things aside, and also decide what color you want your inside rainbow strip to be. I chose this green. You can choose whatever color you'd like in your kit. You're going to make a knot just to secure the colored rope to your larger, thicker piece of string. And you're gonna start twisting. Just twist, 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 twist until you get to the other end. By the way, I know I'm using cord, rope, string, all of the different words, but basically it's all to mean the same thing. At the end of the day, you're going to use the larger string, cord, rope as your base, and you're going to use the skinny, long colored cord, rope, string to wrap around. When you get to the end, simply tie another knot and then repeat this step on the other 2 large cords with the other 2 colored cords. You can cut off the little tails that are left from your colored cotton cord, and then this is where your glue gun is going to come in handy because we're going to start putting together our rainbow. Take the first inside cord and you're going to put the hot glue on the inside of the cord so that you can glue it to the top color of your rainbow. So in this case, my green piece is going to be glued to my orange piece. And then you're going to do the same thing again. You're going to glue the orange piece to the blue piece. In the Burrowed by Caryne kit, you have a very small cotton cord as well as a wooden bead, and we're going to glue gun that to our Macramé Rainbow, and that is what's going to be your hook for hanging your rainbow. You also get in this kit a piece of vinyl, and that's for the backing of the rainbow so that everything looks nice and clean after. And that you can also glue to the back. By the way, if you don't have a glue gun, you can use fabric glue or regular white school glue, but it will take longer to dry in between. A glue gun is just a lot quicker. You can actually also choose to sew everything, but once again, to make this project as easy as possible, I am using a glue gun. So as you can see, I now saturate the backing of the rainbow with glue, and I'm going to stick it onto my vinyl piece, and I'm gonna let that sit for a sec, and then I'm gonna cut around the rainbow, and it's gonna be the perfect shape on the back of the rainbow. The last step is to now just fluff out your ends of the larger cotton cord, and you can trim it if need be so that they're even. Those represent the little clouds, and voila, your piece is done. Isn't it cute? This is a fantastic activity to do with your children. It works fine motor skills as well as sensorial learning. It's a fantastic little project to do. So if you do it, make sure you tag me on social media, and yeah, can't wait to see what you've done.